Today is a really exciting day. This is part of our SEED program with the interior design students. This year we're excited to have some students from other art and design programs also participating. So over the past 3 weeks, they have been designing around a prompt of hospitable habitats, utilizing 3D concrete printing technology. So the students have been researching what is a hospitable habitat, and then they've been working on prototyping designs, first working in clay and then 3D printing models, and now we are fabricating live full-scale models of their furniture that will be installed here at the West Houston Institute. For students, especially for design students, this is a really important skill that kind of bridges the gap between theoretical education and then real-world applications. So if students have an understanding, critical thinking, problem solving that's required to take a drawing and then have it actually be something that is functional and that can be used by clients, that puts them way ahead when they're looking for a job.
Collaboration, I just think it's so important. Anything that you do, you got to collaborate with people from other parts of the industry, and it's hard to get some of that field experience out there as you're going. Once you get out into the world and you graduate, you don't have as much forgiveness in what you're doing. Here what it is we can ask questions of each other, figure out what's working, what's not working, and just really explore. Like, they have time and opportunity to fail, so that way they can succeed. So that's why I think it's so important for us to work together here.
Partnering with the West Houston Institute for the Interior Design program has been so beneficial, not only to our students, but also to our faculty that have learned to expand their repertoire and also create more engaging learning experiences for our students.